Okay, what I'd like to do now is go back to something that we haven't done in a while, and I just wanted to show it to you again so that you knew what you're doing when you run across it in some of the problems that we're going to be doing for this assignment. Today we're going to be multiplying with mixed numbers at some point, and I just wanted to show you how we got there. And most of you probably remember the times plus that we do to get rid of the mixed number and to create an improper fraction. So here it's 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then the denominator stays the same. So it's 7 halves times 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14 thirds. All right, now at this point, many of you will remember that you can simplify, which makes our multiplying easier. So we have some 2's that we can go with the 14. 3's doesn't go with 14 or 7, so let's just do a little simplifying. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 14 7 times. So we're going to multiply that together, and we're going to get 7 times 7 equals 49, and 1 times 3 equals 3. Now, at this point, some of you are going, ooh. Now don't forget, this is division. 49 divided by 3, which looks like this. 49 divided by 3. Some of you can use a calculator at this point too, or go old school just like I am. So we're going to go 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, we get our 1. 9 we're going to bring down. 3 goes into 19 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, we get 1. So we know that 3 goes into 49 16 whole times, so our answer is 16. And then our fraction is 1 1/3, right? 1/3. So 16 and 1/3, if you remember going around, we talked about that. So that is how we get our mixed number. Okay, I can do another one real quick here. This one's probably a little bit easier. 2 1/4 times 1 5/6. Probably should have done this one first. That's okay. So once again, times plus. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 9/4 times 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So we're going to do 11/6. Is there anything we can simplify? Yes. We have 6 and 9 share a common factor of, yes, you're right, 3. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 6 2 times. So now, is there anything else? We have a 2 going to 11, no. 2 going to 3, no. 4 doesn't go in 11, 4 goes to 3. Okay, so we just multiply across. So 3 times 11 equals 33. And 4 times 2 equals 8. So at this point, some of you might be able to do this one in your head. If not, we can go old school, right? So 8 goes into 33, right, 4 times. And how many are going to be left over? 1, and then our denominator stays the same. So 4 1/8. And then old school for that one is going to be 33 divided by 8. So 33 divided by 8. 8 goes in 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract, we get 1. So our answer is 4 1/8. 4 comes from here. 1 goes up here. And 8 goes right there. So 4 1/8. All right. Last thing I want to do is make sure that you understand you need to divide to get this back to a mixed number.